What's up, viewers? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Martha Achieng with another cooking video, and today we're making fresh tilapia. Now this is my tilapia and I'm putting in lemon juice to give it a bit of a zingy flavor also, if that's a word. I've been frying my onions and now I'm going in with garlic. I used one large onion. When you put the garlic, give it a good stir. I'm now going in with curry powder, and that's the Simba brand. Give it a good stir. Next, I'm going in with black pepper. I'll put this much. Then give it a good stir. The onions and garlic have been cooking, and now I'm ready to go in with my tomatoes. I've used 3 medium tomatoes. Then I give it a good stir. I'm going in with tomato paste, and this is by Kenyancuisine. Next, we're going to add in turmeric. At this point, the tomato paste and tomatoes have been cooking for a few minutes. Then give it a good stir. Then Royco, I'm using this much. Give it a good stir. Also remember to heat the tomatoes as you stir. I love using water to remove the remaining garlic paste, and then I pour it in at this point. After which I give it a stir. I'm still heating the tomatoes. You can see it's getting thicker. I'm putting in salt. Then I stir. I continue heating the tomatoes. Next, I'm going in with water. We are making soup right here. Ensure you do not put too much water, just enough to cover the fish. Then now I'm putting in the tilapia. Look how fresh that looks. Also, when you're making your tilapia, please look for a big cooking pot that can fit. Yes, and that's my tilapia. Adding in just a bit more water so that this boils well. Then I'm going in with capsicum. I love putting it towards the end. My fish has been boiling. I'm just going to cover. It's been like 5 minutes. I'm now going in with fish masala. We are almost done. A bit more and this soup will be a bit thicker. Here we are, and it's a bit thick at this point. I'm going to put in my danias. I'm now going to lower my heat and let this cook. Here we are, and that's the final product. We're ready to serve. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.